2 sekunder. Going on an adventure. Having quite a lot of technical issues today with my cameras. I think we are okay now. And we try get going. And obviously I never go far with him. Because usually the weather is bad in Norway and there we off. Of course, there's a lot of traffic when I come. Every time. It's been a while since I was on the bike now, because now, as you can see, I'm back from Thailand. I've been back from Thailand a few weeks now. Yeah, it seems in the videos that I have been there long time, but no. I was there in 3 weeks and then I came back, because I only post every Sundays at 7 p.m. So that means I had some time to make a new videos and just upload them in schedules, so I could have time to do other stuff as well. And you see how Santi is loving this. This is his favorite thing to do of all time. He just loves this. We're not going on a far trip today, just about the local area. So I'm back from Thailand and I really just wanted to go back immediately when I came to Norway, to go back to a country that is beautiful and warm and have so many beautiful and respectful people in it, and always they were smiling. As you can see, I'm usually staying in a place where I live in a remote area, so it gets quite isolated here. So obviously when you go to a place where a lot of people, and yeah, it feels good to be able to meet new people pretty much every day on your holiday. And the locals are amazing, and some of the tourists were amazing. Not all tourists are so mindful and respectful to others and to the locals, which I don't like, but it's probably I did my part too about that, so I probably pissed off a lot of people as well. I'm gonna go into this more quiet road and just have a little cruise. It's the plan. This is more calm and quiet. Yeah, it's a bit cold today. It's 15 degrees. I was really debating on waiting on doing this for Santi's sake, but I think he's okay. And I put a sweater on him. I think Santi is okay for going out today. It's not. It's about 15 degrees, yes, and a little bit rain here and there, but it's really local. He is loving it, really. It makes me smile every time I put him in the bike because he loves it so much. He loves it just as much as I do, or if not, maybe more. And that makes me happy. But yeah, I came home from Thailand, and for 3 weeks I didn't really want to make any videos at all. And I didn't really make much in Thailand either, but especially when I came home, because when I came home, you know, I always listen to people talking about this depression of traveling when you finish travel, and I definitely have felt that when I came back to Norway. I've post depression for travel or something like that. I'm not sure the technical terms of it, but I never really understood it before, but I definitely felt it this time. Just felt sad and bored, and it felt like time had stopped completely when you came home. Like for 1 week it felt like months, just going to work. And yeah, anyways, that's not so much to talk about now. I'm better now, and that's why I'm making a video now. Also because it was a beautiful day, a bit windy, but the sun is out at least. It is a beautiful place, this. It really is, and it's really strange that I get this depression in this beautiful country, but yeah, I do, because I get lonely. I get lonely, and look at this. I was driving here one night in the dark, and I see that. I was, what the hell is this? And yeah, I don't know who puts those up, but it is quite funny. It's fun when people do like that, do something out of the ordinary. I'm gonna take off the road here. Oh, there was a small squirrel hit by a car. I'm gonna take off here now because there is a lot of police outside now. But on the roads like this, there's no police. At least it should not be. you never know. Before, when I was working as a heavy equipment operator, I often go to these roads and do like small repairs. And I also always liked to do this because it was more quiet. And then to go to main roads. And you see these roads need some repairs because they are really not prioritized to get upgraded very well. But anyways, back to the Thailand story, or whatever you call it. I am planning to go back in November, and not only to Thailand, but I'm also considering to go to Vietnam then. I haven't quite decided yet, but I think that will happen. It depends on the flights, of course. But I do want to go to Vietnam, and I kind of also want to go back to Thailand. But I don't know how it is in Vietnam. I heard people speaking well of it. So that's a bit tricky when you order and planning a trip to where to go, because I like to at least have the plane settled, and then where in the country you go is okay, but you can just kind of do on the fly. But kind of need to know when you leave and when you arrive. I feel, at least. Probably more OG travelers do not care about that. Yeah, like I said, I forgot my license, so I will not do it, because this road go around just like the other one did and go back onto the main road. But on the main road there's two areas which is known to have a lot of traffic stops, and not having a license now with me, when I didn't bring it out, you get fined for that. And I don't want that, so I will probably turn around in the midway here and go back again the same way. Yeah, and also in Thailand I had to have this international license, which I had to apply for and get pre-Thailand before I go to Thailand. And unfortunately this time I did not get that fixed in time because I didn't know about it before. It was kind of too late. It took me maybe 2.5 weeks to get it in the mail, and I was already left to Thailand, and so I didn't get to drive any motorbikes there. I could have done it and risk getting a fine, but I don't want to get fined by stupidity. A piece of paper do not really tell anyone if you can drive, but yeah, if something happened there and I didn't have a license, I think travel insurance, everything would be quite difficult. So I don't know if that's true, but I just in my mind I think if you do something you're not allowed to do and you injure yourself, I don't think travel insurance will cover it. Maybe some do, I don't know. But next time I will have it, so that would be cool. And I'm pretty sure that international license also work in Vietnam, so maybe we'll do some routes there as well on a motorcycle, or probably a motorcycle. I'm not sure, I don't know much about Vietnam, where the beautiful places is and all this. I only know about Da Nang and Saigon. That's all I know. And that there was a war there in the 70s, I believe. That any people don't judge down there, and that's very good. That's very good. I'm thinking I'm gonna turn around again now, heading back. But yeah, I always fall off topic. I really like Thailand and I recommend people go there. I understand that 2025 has been... I will turn around here. I understand 2025 have been losing a lot of tourists in Thailand. The bike is tucked away nicely inside the garage. Santi. This camera is awful. He is happy chappy. And we'll sleep good tonight. Right? Happy? Happy? Like and subscribe. And ding dong that bell for notifications when I upload. I upload every Sunday at 7 p.m. And until next time, look at that view.